girl, because you can't be out here with no canary yellow teeth. That's not an option. You may have to seek dental assistance for that. Hi guys, Naturelle Bombshell here, and welcome to my channel. My channel focuses on beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. So if you're interested in those things, make sure you click that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into it. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to give you 5 easy tips to make you look instantly more attractive. So tip number 1, make sure you have the proper fitting clothes and proper undergarments. Now, as you can tell by this outfit, it is scantily clad, which, you know, I'm not mad at. I'm a full figure girl, but I like a, you know, sophisticated, sexy, sometimes risque outfit. But even then, just because I'm body positive doesn't mean I'm not Spanx positive, because I'm also, you know, proper fitting bra positive as well. So all of those things and all of those layers add up to a well-fitting undergarment or look. For example, every girl loves diamonds, right? And let's just say you were presented with a package of diamonds and girl had a ratchet bow falling off, tissue paper. Now obviously the gift itself is great, but at first sight it is off-putting and you don't really know what's inside because of the way it has been presented. Think of yourself in that same way. You are a great person, you're a beautiful person on the inside and out. So you want to just make sure that the outside reflects that in presenting the proper package. So make sure you have the proper fitted clothes, they're not ill-fitting, and make sure you have the proper garments to go with those clothes. So that's tip number 1, proper fitting clothes in accompaniment with proper fitting undergarments. Tip number 2 is posture. Now, how many times have you seen someone you know, kind of like hunched over? I don't want to say hunched over, I would just say maybe just, you know, sitting a little slouchy, or a little you know, just the posture was a little off. So if you just go back to posture 101, shoulders back, head up, chest out, and just imagine a long string pulling your body up, and then that will give you a perfect erect posture that will instantly make you look more attractive. You look strong, confident, and when you walk into the room, people will definitely notice you. So that's tip number 2, proper posture. Tip number 3 is actually something I'm wearing now. Have you guessed it? I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay girl, it's the color red. Scientific studies have shown that the most attractive color that people find on the opposite sex is the color red. Now red is obviously a sexy, bold, powerful color, and a lot of people tend to stray away because it may be too bold for them. But as I stated, scientific data, studies, and facts actually show that red can make you look instantly more attractive. Another study showed that waitresses that wore red lipstick on average made more tips than those who did not. So there's actually scientific data that says wearing the color red can make you look instantly more attractive. So that's tip number 3. When in doubt, wear red. Next we have tip number 4, which is makeup. Now before you say, girl, I don't need makeup to make me look more attractive, I look good, that is true. Makeup is not a necessity, it is an accessory. And I'm not even talking about the makeup like I have now. This is like a high medium coverage type of makeup. I am just simply talking about using the artistry of makeup to play up certain features. For example, my favorite facial features are my eyes and my lips. So if I'm wearing a new lipstick, I am going to wear a gloss to make them look even more plump and juicy. Or even this bold color red just makes my lips look, girl, popping and full. As far as my eyes, I may just wear a liner or the proper lashes to make my eyes look even more, you know, feline or cat-esque, since I have naturally shaped almond eyes. So that is what I mean in regards to wearing makeup. If you take 1 or 2 features that you love, just add makeup just to play it up a bit. If you have high cheekbones, girl, boom, get that highlighter popping. Or if you have nice brows, just, you know, make sure you groom them to where they look great, groomed and presentable. So that's tip number 4, wear makeup. But with that, remember, makeup should not erase, it should enhance. So the final tip is tip number 5, which is something that I'm doing now. It's smile. Ting. So a smile can literally light up the room and can be so inviting, which can make you look instantly more attractive. And a caveat to that is to make sure your teeth are pearly white, okay? Get you an inexpensive whitening strip kit, or, you know, possibly if it's something that's more severe than that, girl, because you can't be out here with no canary yellow teeth. That's not an option. You may have to seek dental assistance for that, but just make sure that you have your pearly whites, ting, and a great smile. How many times have you seen somebody and you're just like, oh girl, she got resting face, or girl, she got stank face, or, you know, it's just looking very off-putting and uninviting. Well, if that person would put up a smile, will put on a smile, it definitely would change the mood of the room, and definitely will change her, the energy towards her or him will shift. So wear a smile. And fun fact, it takes more muscles to frown than it does to smile. Well, bombshells, those are all my tips for how to look more attractive. Those were 5 easy tips that you can do now. Girl, work on the posture if need be. Make sure your clothes are fitting well. Wear the color red. Play up a few features on your face with a little makeup, and smile. Well, thank you all for tuning in. You all go forth and prosper.